Hi everyone, it's John Waite. This month I've teamed up with Craft Gin Club, which is a gin subscription service that brings you a monthly bottle of gin and other little treats. I'm going to make now their cocktail of the month, which is using the Tarquin's special Christmas gin, and it's a delicious gin hot toddy. First of all, I'm going to put 50 ml of the Tarquin gin into my favourite mug. It doesn't have to be your favourite mug, it can be any old mug, but might as well drink in style. And to that, I'm going to add 20 millilitres of the Simply Christmas Spiced Flavour Syrup. And that's pretty much finished with 75 millilitres of recently boiled water from a kettle. And of course we need a bit of orange in this as well. Slice of orange, and a hot toddy would not be complete without a clove. Merry Christmas.